Hey, Joe, give me my dog. Perfection. For sale? Say it ain't so, Joe. You can't sell your cart. Oh, where will I go for such delectable dogs? Such terrific tube steaks. Such wondrous wieners.
Well, I don't know. I guess you'll have to settle for Wiener Wallies.
Huh, I'll never eat at Wally's. He's the guy who put the worst in bratwurst. Ugh. I've got it. I'll buy your cart.
Okay, but you know it's gonna cost you $500.
$500? Aha. Uh-huh. Plenty of room. Wow, a heated pool. I'll take it.
What's this going on here? I've forgotten more about selling wieners than that Woodpecker will ever know.
Oh, I would like to buy a hot dog, please.
Coming right up. That's one for you and one for me.
Okay, so that's just one customer. And that's one too many.
Hey, mister, can I get a dog, please?
That's one for you and two for me.
Zwerg, that does it. Get off my corner, Woodpecker!
You know, I get the distinct feeling someone doesn't want me around.
Come back soon.
Over here! Over here! I've got just one thing to say. That's my corner!
Woodpecker. That should fix that, Woodpecker, you bet.
Why for you bury me, wiener boy? Guess who?
You want a weenie war? You got a weenie war, Woodpecker!
You'll never sell hot dogs on my corner, wiener boy! I've got you now! Hey!
say, this is the best hot dog mix I've ever tasted.
Oh, my aching meatball.
You Woodpecker, look what you done. I'll get you.
Boys, break it up. With your new hot dog mix and my investment capital, we can make millions.
Where do we sign? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
I'm the boss. Will I get my hands on you? You come here,
No,
you.
I'm the boss, and I say no work today. Oh boy, woo!
By you little tube steak terrorist, you won't ruin my chance to make millions.
Ah, go on with you. Give me your best shot. Bet you can't hit me with hot dogs.
Oh, yeah?
Then take that, and those too, you bet.
Hey, if we're gonna be partners, you're gonna have to work faster than that, wiener boy.